Developing tonight for the first time, Minnesota is preparing to use its coronavirus morgue to store bodies as COVID-19 continues to surge statewide. That's our top story. I'm Randy Meyer.
And I'm Kelsey Carlson. Minnesota has never had to use the St. Paul building in that capacity, but a record-breaking number of deaths this holiday weekend has officials bracing now for the worst.
Fox 9's Hannah Flood is live tonight with more on the state's response. Hannah?
Randy and Kelsey, the Department of Safety confirms that they were out here today checking the refrigeration capacities here, installing things like shelving, all just to be prepared in case they have to start using this facility as overflow storage.
This is what the $5.5 million state-owned facility looked like back in September. The space was being used to store boxes of gloves, testing supplies, and other PPE. Now the Department of Public Safety confirms the space is being prepped to potentially serve its intended purpose: short-term storage of remains that are in caskets and are prepared for burial. The building was originally purchased in May when up to 30 people were dying of COVID a day, and restrictions on gatherings led many families to delay funerals. With another pause on public gatherings in effect right now, the state could be preparing for something similar as death rates reach record highs.
Minnesota now has more cases per population than New York, Arizona, Texas, or Florida, other previous hotspots. We are a hotspot.
Health officials say the impact of Thanksgiving gatherings won't be known for 2 or 3 weeks, meaning Minnesota could be hit hardest just in time for Christmas.
I'm not going to surprise anybody. I think the guidance around Thanksgiving is going to be very similar around Christmas.
Now, the Department of Public Safety says they will not use this space unless mortuaries and funeral homes run out of space of their own, and they say they are just not to that point quite yet. Back in September, state officials also said that this space could be used to store vaccine supplies. Live in St. Paul tonight, Hannah Flood, Fox 9.